Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make quiche. First, gather your ingredients. A good quality short crust pastry, 4 large eggs, 300 milliliters of double cream, and your chosen fillings. Common choices include bacon and cheese or spinach and feta. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit and prepare your pastry case. This foundational step ensures a perfectly cooked quiche. Once your oven is preheated, blind bake your pastry case for about 15 minutes. This crucial step helps prevent a soggy bottom, ensuring a crisp crust. While the pastry bakes, prepare your filling. In a large bowl, whisk together 4 large eggs, 300 milliliters of double cream, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Then, stir in your chosen fillings, like cooked bacon lardons and grated cheddar cheese, or sautéed mushrooms and herbs. Now, carefully pour your egg and filling mixture into the pre-baked pastry shell. Make sure not to overfill it. Place the quiche back into the oven, still at 180 degrees Celsius, and bake for approximately 30 to 40 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the top is beautifully golden brown and the center is just set with a slight wobble. This indicates a perfectly cooked, creamy interior. After baking, it's essential to let your quiche cool for at least 15 minutes before slicing. This allows the filling to fully set, preventing it from collapsing when cut. Quiche is incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed warm or cold, making it perfect for any meal. Serve it with a simple green salad for a complete and satisfying dish. For those looking to simplify their weekly meal prep, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade quiche.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.